Looking for the best gas pressure washer that delivers real power and performance? Stick around because we're ranking the top models from worst to best. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. Let's kick things off with the lightest and most compact option on our list, the Westinghouse EPX3500. Now technically, this one's not a gas model, but it earned its spot because it's a solid contender for folks who want something simple and electric. Coming in at the bottom of our ranking, it's perfect for light-duty cleaning around the house. The EPX3500 gives you up to 2500 PSI and 1.76 GPM, which is quite impressive for an electric unit. It's incredibly lightweight at just 19 pounds and super easy to store or move around. The set of 5 quick connect nozzles gives you versatility, and it even comes with a built-in soap tank, something many budget gas models skip. If you're switching from a garden hose or a lower-end washer, this will feel like a real upgrade. Now, compared to any gas-powered washer on this list, the Westinghouse simply doesn't have the muscle. It lacks the raw power to tackle tough stains, driveways, or larger surfaces. Plus, being electric, it needs a power outlet nearby, which limits your mobility. So if you're looking to blast away years of grime off a concrete patio, this isn't your go-to. But for someone who wants a compact, quiet, and zero-maintenance machine for everyday cleaning tasks, this is a great entry-level option. It's also ideal if you're not comfortable handling gas engines. And don't forget, all the products mentioned today, including this one, are linked below in the description at the best available prices. Coming in next is the Dewalt gas pressure washer. This one's a step up from electric, and it brings that gas-powered muscle into play without going overboard. It's not the most powerful on the list, but it's the most balanced when it comes to pressure, price, and durability. With 3300 PSI and 2.4 gallons per minute, this Dewalt is well suited for cleaning decks, sidewalks, fences, you name it. It features a steel frame, a reliable 208cc engine, and a rugged set of 10-inch wheels that help you move it around any terrain. The build quality screams reliability, which is exactly what you'd expect from a name like Dewalt. It's the kind of unit you can count on for regular outdoor cleaning without stressing over it breaking down. Now, like all gas washers, it's noisy, and you've got the usual engine maintenance to deal with. Checking oil, checking spark plugs. It's also a bit on the heavier side, and while the 25-foot hose is decent, it might feel short if you're working on a big property. Compared to models with higher pressure and better flow, it falls short for industrial-grade tasks. If you're looking for a solid, no-nonsense washer that handles most home projects with ease, this Dewalt is a great middle ground pick. And hey, if you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world product rankings just like this one. Now we're getting into the heavy hitters. The Vivore pressure washer sits right in the middle of the top tier. It's more powerful than the Dewalt and packs a higher flow rate, which means you'll get more cleaning done in less time. This is the point in the ranking where things start to feel seriously powerful. With 3400 PSI and 2.6 GPM, this machine gives you an edge for tackling driveways, large patios, or anything caked in tough grime. It's got a 7 horsepower engine, a durable aluminum pump, and a pretty efficient frame design that makes it feel lighter than it actually is. What really sets it apart is how it balances strength with usability. It's got power, but it won't wear you out using it. That said, it's not perfect. The fuel tank is a bit small, so you'll be refueling more often than you might like. And while it's easy to move around, you still have the typical drawbacks of gas models: noise, emissions, and some maintenance. Still, it's more efficient than most gas units in this power class, and the assembly out of the box isn't too bad either. If you're a homeowner who wants serious power without jumping to commercial grade size or price, the Vivore delivers in a big way. It's ideal for people who clean regularly and want something that feels like a serious tool without going overboard. Next up is the Amerisun, and this is where the pressure starts to get real. It comes in second place for a reason. This beast packs a serious punch with 3800 PSI and a reliable 212cc engine that's built to take on the messiest outdoor jobs. This washer is built with durability in mind. It's got large pneumatic wheels for easy mobility, and the pressure output is ideal for tough jobs like stripping paint, cleaning concrete, or deep cleaning fences. The 2.5 gallons per minute give it just the right water volume to match that power without wasting fuel. Plus, it includes all the essential nozzles, so you can switch between tasks on the fly. But like all high-power units, it's not exactly light. At around 68 pounds, you'll feel the weight when lifting it. Also, compared to the Vivore, it's slightly less efficient in fuel use and doesn't offer quite the same ergonomic design. Still, it makes up for that with raw cleaning power and build quality. This one's perfect for anyone with a big property or heavy-duty needs, but who doesn't want to jump to full commercial gear. If you want to make short work of stubborn grime without spending a fortune, this is your guy. And finally, at the top of the list is the IvyBess. This washer doesn't just beat the competition, it crushes them with raw performance. It's the most powerful washer in this lineup by a long shot. With a massive 4200 PSI and a full 4 gallons per minute, this unit is ready for the dirtiest, grimiest jobs you can throw at it. driveways, commercial patios, farm equipment, nothing stands a chance. It's got a rugged 212cc engine and includes 5 spray nozzles to match the power to the task. This is commercial level output in a residential grade frame. Now, of course, with that kind of power comes responsibility. It's loud, it's heavy, and it's going to require some engine maintenance from time to time. The 25-foot hose could be longer, especially for such a capable machine, and support for the brand might not be as widespread as bigger names like Dewalt. But if what you care about is performance, raw, unfiltered, get the job done power, then the IvyBess is your ultimate pressure washer. It's for serious users who don't want to make 2 passes over the same surface. So there you have it, our top picks for the best gas and electric pressure washers right now. All the links to these machines at the best prices are waiting for you in the description. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more top picks, and I'll see you in the next one.